Do you know the tax filing season is here? Are you confused about 26AS, Form 16 or AIS? Let's simplify it for you. Form 16 is issued by your employer and it shows your total salary, deductions and TDS during the year. If you're salaried, this is your main document for tax filing. A certificate issued by your employer showing salary paid to you, TDS deducted on your salary, breakup of salary components, employer TAN and PAN details. फॉर्म 26AS एक तरह का टैक्स क्रेडिट स्टेटमेंट है जो इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट द्वारा जारी किया जाता है. A consolidated tax statement issued by the income tax department that shows TDS deducted on your income, which includes salary, rent, and interest, advance tax or self-assessment tax paid, refunds issued by the department, high-value transactions, and used to verify TDS and tax credit before filing your ITR. Download from Income Tax portal under e-file and then click on Income Tax Forms and then you can view Form 26AS. Last, AIS is a new and detailed statement from the Income Tax Department. It includes all sources of income, that is, salary, interest, dividend, rent, and capital gains. High value transactions, TDS and TCS foreign remittance, mutual fund activity. It helps ensure no income is missed while filing your ITR. Always compare your Form 16 with 26AS and AIS before filing ITR. ITR फाइल करने से पहले Form 16 की जानकारी का Form 26 और AIS में ज़रूर मिलाएं. We help you file accurate ITR by reconciling your Form 16, 26AS and AIS. Feel free to reach out if you want help verifying your filing your ITR. Email us at info@click2professionals.com or WhatsApp us at 8448094507.